With its unique throwback style and small production run, the 1991 Nissan Figaro immediately won over the hearts of automobile fans, an immediate hit with collectors and retro automobile aficionados. This one-of-a-kind ride took design cues from the 1960s and stood out with its retractable soft top and small, fashionable body. The Figaro became a beloved emblem of automotive nostalgia due to its blend of classic good looks and contemporary conveniences. In the year 2025, the Nissan Figaro Concept imagines a spectacular rebirth of this adored classic, skillfully combining retro design features with state-of-the-art technology. The exterior design of the 2025 Nissan Figaro will honor the car's heritage while including several modern touches that will make it relevant in today's market. Modern design cues, such as a more aerodynamic body, polished chrome accents, and sleek LED headlamps, will enhance the distinctive retro flair that made the original Figaro so appreciated. A defining characteristic that has endured since the original Figaro's release is its famous retractable soft top, which allows drivers the ageless joy of open-air driving. When you get behind the wheel of a 2025 Figaro, you'll feel like you've stepped into a time machine. Careful attention to detail went into the cabin's design, which features premium materials like plush leather upholstery and tasteful chrome accents, reminiscent of the plush, classic car interiors of yesteryear. But the 2025 Figaro isn't just a relic, it has cutting-edge innovation that makes driving more enjoyable. The digital instrument cluster, high-tech entertainment system, with wireless smartphone connectivity and user-friendly controls are just a few of the modern conveniences that make driving a pleasure. Designing the 2025 Figaro with comfort and style in mind was a top priority. Inviting interior features that take driving to a whole new level include heated seats, climate control, and adjustable ambient lighting. With all the best features of its legendary forebears and all the cutting-edge electronics of today, this updated Nissan Figaro should be a wonderful fusion of the two eras.